Hey guys, let's make some super cheesy and delicious chicken and cheese Mughlai Paratha. This stuffed paratha is one of the top Pakistani and Indian street food delicacies. Let's make it. Heat 1/4 cup of oil and saute 1 medium-sized chopped onion until it slightly changes in color. Then add in 250 grams of chicken mince. Next add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute well, then cover and cook until the water dries out. Next add in all the spices mentioned, 1 chopped green chili, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and mix well. You can adjust the spices according to your taste. Once the chicken filling is done cooking, set it aside and let it cool down. It's time to form a smooth dough for our parathas. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, give it a good mix, and 1/4 cup of oil. Mix well again and form a soft and smooth dough with lukewarm water. Make sure to knead well for 5 minutes. Once the dough is ready, lightly oil the dough, cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, crack 2 eggs in a bowl, whisk them well. Now take a small portion of dough, lightly oil your rolling surface and rolling pin. Roll out the dough as shown. Add about 2 tablespoons of the beaten egg, the prepared chicken mince, some mozzarella cheese, and then fold the paratha by overlapping all the 4 sides of the dough. Prepare all the Mughlai chicken and cheese parathas following the same method, and then fry them up from all 4 sides until it turns all crisp and golden brown. Serve hot with some mint yogurt chutney or some plain yogurt, and enjoy these loaded chicken and cheese egg Mughlai parathas for lunch or for breakfast. And trust me, these are simply irresistible. So make sure you do give this recipe a try. And if you like this recipe, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking!